Hi guys. Ooh, yes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that bell to be notified every time I make a video. So yes guys, today what are my AirPods? No, me feel it. So today, as you guys see from the title or the thumbnail, I'm not even sure what the title is or what the thumbnail is, but let's fix the ear. I am going to the hotel. I'm going to Rio with my friends, so you guys are gonna see that this is my first time going to Rio, so I am excited. Anyways, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you guys in the mirror in a few. May I went up on my bed a little too early, but I don't want the person, like, I'm the one that's late, you know. I don't like being late. So my bed. So yes. I'm excited. Can you tell? Alright, so let me show you my outfit and then you guys will see me when we are on the road afterwards, I think. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I'm using my father's old phone to vlog on. So this is the fit. I wore this once before when I was coming from the Cameron when we went to hotel. But yeah, I have on this black jeans pants and I have on my black flats as per usual. I'm wearing my jewelry. These are the jewelry I'm wearing. The ring, the necklace, wearing my Shakay and my that I don't know what that is, but yeah, this something there. So anyways, that's what I'm wearing. So yeah. You know what's weird? Hey.
like this one.